Hey guys, it's LaPorscha Monique and I'm back with another video. So if you follow me on social media, Instagram or Facebook, LaPorscha Monique, I did a poll and basically asked you guys what type of look would you want to see. So you guys voted for a smoky eye with a bold lip, lots of highlight, and wing liner. So I came to deliver. So this is the look that I created. If you watched my last video, which was like a glowy makeup tutorial, I kind of used some of the same shadows from that. So this is basically showing you that you can use shadows to create different looks for different occasions. You don't always have to go out and buy new stuff. You can use what you have and just use a different technique or a different style. If you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. So my face makeup is already done, so we're just going to get straight to applying our eyeshadow base. First, you're going to take a light brown color and place it in your crease, and this is going to be your transition shade. Next, we're going to take the color Aziza. It's like a shimmery white gold shade, and we're going to place this on our lid. Next, we're going to take the color Fez. It's a dark brown color, and we're going to place this on the outer corner of our lids to start creating that smoky effect. Lastly, we're going to take the color Tempting, and we're going to place this a little lower than Fez, and we're going to blend this out. If you do notice, I am blending between each shadow to create a gradient effect. For a smoky eye, I always think it's nice to line your bottom waterline. This really just creates that smoky effect and just kind of makes the look. We're going to take the shadows that we use for our eyes and we're going to place those on our bottom lash line to create that smoky effect. So now it's time to apply our lashes and our wing liner. So today I'm using the Cynthia Boss lashes in the style Amina. So I came up with this little lip combo, and we're going to use Potion, and then we're going to use Teddy, and we're going to create an ombre lip. So we can't forget our highlighter. We're going to highlight our cheeks and our nose. Lastly, just apply a little mascara and boom, we're ready to go. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that you know when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.